All right, guys, I'm going to show you a Freedom Express. It is a pre-owned unit, but it is in great condition. It is fantastic. It's going to go fast. So if you want more information, let me know, because this is under 20,000. And I'm honestly, I can't believe they're doing it under 30,000, because it's a coach, so there's no bunks on it, and it has a huge dinette, a nice, I mean, seriously, comfy couch. I mean, it just looks fantastic. Freedom Express, it's your coachman. It is the 279 RLDS. As I mentioned, it has a slide, so just making it even more spacious. It is fiberglass. You've got your long awning. And again, guys, this unit, being under 20K and being a coach, and there's your backup camera, just being in such great condition, this is gonna go really fast. All right, guys, here we go. And honestly, I don't know if this video is gonna do justice, because it looks fantastic. So nice, beautiful floors. The material is in perfect condition. I mean, just very nice. You got your couch. You got your, there's cup holders in your couch. You've got beautiful storage cabinets in here, but look at that. Beautiful storage cabinet doors. A nice, beautiful window, and then windows on both sides. Another big window. And of course, this goes into, you can make it into another couch. You can make it into a bed. I mean, or you obviously can use it as your dinette. Let's see what goes in. Where we got, oh yeah. Nice, large cabinetry storage right here. And you have this extra counter space to put whatever. And now, guys, look at this. Beautiful. I love it. So this is a beautiful countertop. It is, I don't know what this is. It's nice. I don't know what it is. I would like to know, though. Because it is beautiful. It's beautiful. Solid surface. Nice big sink. Plenty of storage up here. You've got your 3-burner oven and a microwave. Look at this fridge. Seriously, I love that when they have it like that, the wood on the outside, or just kind of blending in. But this is so nice. You got your fireplace. You've got your, well, which is a heater. You got your entertainment. And more storage space as well. All right, guys, down the hall, you've got your bathroom. So let's see if you can see it. I love these two windows and your shade right here in the hall. I love having windows in the hall. I don't know why, but I do. So here is the bathroom. Again, huge, nice size. I mean, you've got a seat over there. Just a great size bathroom. Plenty of space. All right. And then your master bedroom. Again, beautiful, nice, spacious. You've got your platforms on both sides, or your side tables, whatever you want to call them. You can walk all the way around. You've got an area to hang up on both sides. More storage. You've got a little, you can call it a cubby or whatever. And then you've got your lights. Of course, you can change that to whatever color you'd like. But again, plenty of space, plenty of room to walk around, and you still sleep comfortably. I love the wood in here, the colors. I'm not a big brown person, but this actually looks so nice with how they put it together. So you guys want some more information? Let me know, because again, this thing is going to go fast, and not only if you're going to miss out on something just great. Under 20K, it's a 2022, I believe. Let me check on that in just a second, but yeah, absolutely beautiful. You know that you can come up here and see me, Funtown, RV in Waco asked for Rachel. The rest of my information is down below, but let me see what year it is real quick. So it is a 2019, I apologize, 2019. But again, in great condition. So you guys let me know if you would like to see it. We can schedule that and we can go from there.